After becoming paralyzed and not having very good hand function, I have to rely on tools a lot. And one of the tools that I still rely on after my injury is a pocket knife. And before my injury, I always carried a pocket knife. They're extremely handy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a pocket knife that I have found that works well for me to carry, and I can actually open it and close it myself. And I'm also going to be showing you what I would recommend if you are looking for a pocket knife to carry yourself. This might seem like a stupid video to some people, but I know the first couple of years after I became a quadriplegic, I didn't think that I could open and close and carry a pocket knife and use it for opening stuff. But hopefully this video helps somebody out. If you are new, I am Mason Ellis, and I am a C5 through C7 quadriplegic, and I make videos to help you live life just like you would have able-bodied. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Let me know down in the comments if you have a pocket knife that you like and that you have found works well for you to carry. I don't have very good finger function. I just have tenodesis, which is pretty much the movement of the wrist up and down to open and close the fingers. Alright, so I normally carry my pocket knife on the right side of my pants, and I like a pocket knife that has a clip on it because not having very good hand function or finger function, it's hard for me to get inside my pockets. So if a pocket knife has a clip on it, like this one does here, it is really easy for me to get to without having to try and reach in my pocket for it. So the way I get it out is I will take my left hand and I will push it up on the bottom of the knife, and then I will take the index finger of my right hand and grab right here at the bottom of the clip, and I will keep doing this until I get it out. Sometimes it gets stuck and I have to use one hand to get on the back side, and then I clamp it together with my other hand and pull up like this. This here is a Benchmade foldable knife called the Bug Out, and what I like about it is it has this clip on one side, and it also has a folding blade, and it has a locking system right here where it automatically locks itself whenever it's fully opened, and that way you don't get cut if you're trying to cut something and the knife wants to fold up on you. Also, right here on each side of the blade, it's ambidextrous because it has these little knobs on each side, and this is helpful for opening it. And me being a quadriplegic with not very good finger function or grasp, I can't actually grip the blade itself, so having these knobs here helps me open it. This knife is extremely light, which is good, and it's also thin. The only downside is that it is slick, and that can be an issue with me not having very good finger function. This right here is the locking mechanism, and I just have to push this way to unlock it, and I'll show you how I do that here in a second. I grab right here where those two little pins are, and I'll put it up here on my chest like this, and I'll push my thumb up against my chest so it will pinch the actual knife, and then I will do the same thing with my other hand right here, and I will pull them apart, and it opens like this. And you'll hear the lock, and so now it is fully open and it's locked, so whenever you go to cut stuff, it's not going to accidentally close. For closing the knife, I will lay the side of the handle that does not have the clip face down like this, and I'll take my left hand right here. In my right hand, I will take the thumbnail and put it right here, and I will pinch down like this and push down pretty hard, and then you can see right here the index finger, and I will bend it like this, and you can see that has allowed this blade to come in a little bit, and then I will go ahead and close it the rest of the way like this, and once I get it that far, I will make sure my hand is out of the way, and I'll just close it up like this. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments what kind of pocket knife you like or carry yourself and have found that is useful for you. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos.